Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time. Let me tell you that when you try to create the Apple ID and you have done for that and you want to agree the terms and condition at the end you are getting the error like this, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, you have to close this page. Let me tell you that if you cannot create your Apple ID on your iPhone, then it means you have exceeded the limit to creating the account. Okay guys, so if you want to fix it, just simply have to open the setting. From here you have to scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on erase all content and settings. So just simply have to tap on continue, just simply have to erase your iPhone. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to force restart your device. And after that guys, you have to tap on general again and just simply have to tap on software update. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. And after that, hopefully you can easily create your Apple ID on your iPhone. If you still can't do that, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open any browser and just simply have to tap on create.appleid.com. You can also create your Apple ID from the browser. Okay guys, and hopefully you can fix this issue. So that's pretty much for today's video. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.